So in this video, what you're gonna see is the miracles that this new technology can do in health of the body. It's a new type of food. It is natural, but it doesn't happen naturally in the environment. It has to be done in a cultive, in a culture. You know, you put some things into the lab and you put there and they grow. And this is the food, and then they get from out the substances. More than 250 substances makes this miracle. So let me show you what happens when you eat these substances. So here is a demo video of the blood inside of the body. And because it's gotta be short, I'm going to fast forward this to the next part. This is a microscope which is called X-Crisp, and what you can see in the microscope is what you have in your fingernails. You put your finger inside, and then you can see the small vessels, the cardiovascular parts of the body, and you can see the blood flowing. Look at this. You see the blood flowing? Okay, what is going to happen? When you eat this, in only 3 minutes, the circulation improves. First, it's like this, like a river, like an old river, and then they straighten more, and it's like a new river. It gets widened, and it gets more flow because the cells around wants to receive all the nutrients, and they improve the nutrition of all the cells. What is happening is that, look at this. It rejuvenates. It gets younger. So this is what happened. You can see a lot more. Here you have the before and then after. I took this on my own with my own camera. So you can see the blood flowing and how it's improved. Well, I'm going to show you another miracle. Okay, little balls, which are cells around this thing that is bad pathogen inside of the blood. And what is happening is that the substance, the food, is altering this pathogen, and it's going to make it weaker, and until it disappears. And these blood cells start to flow better. What happens when that happens is that all the tissues got improved, and then you can have incredible recoveries. Like this one helped with this doctor. Sorry to show you this is going to be very ugly, but it is what is happening at start. This is the food of the person who has diabetes. Those things cannot be healed because it doesn't recover. And this food can make this recover.